and gentlemen, make some noise for Gravedigger!
Every legend begins somewhere. John loved building extraordinary machines.
This workshop was his second home. Every detail mattered. He treated every vehicle with respect. Few people knew his name. His dreams never faded. One truck inspired him the most. He never stopped believing. He trained with patience. A bigger journey was waiting. Tomorrow would change everything. He was ready for the next adventure. The legend was about to begin. John set out on another ordinary journey. He had no idea what awaited him. An old road caught his attention. Time seemed to stand still. Something felt unusual. Nature had quietly taken over. A forgotten trail led into the distance. John decided to follow the path. The trail ended at a lonely marsh. Something enormous rested ahead. His curiosity grew stronger. Every step revealed a little more. A giant tire emerged from the mud. Could this be what he had dreamed about? Tomorrow, the truth would be revealed. John moved closer with every step. The shape looked strangely familiar. Years had nearly erased it. Time had left deep scars. Nature had claimed the machine. He carefully uncovered the past. The colors began to return. A legendary design appeared. He could hardly believe it. The years had taken their toll. The forgotten giant finally emerged. His childhood dream stood before him. He finally knew the truth. This story was not over. A forgotten legend had been found. John knew the truck deserved respect. His first step was to find the rightful owner.
Welcome. Please come in.
Thank you, sir. I really appreciate your time.
I've kept these memories for many years.
They're incredible.
This truck brought me many unforgettable moments.
I admired this truck since I was a child.
I never imagined someone would still remember it.
I want to restore it with care and respect.
I believe you truly mean that.
These keys belong to you now. I'll protect its legacy.
Please bring it back to life.
I promise I won't let you down.
We'll need those heavy chains for this angle. Attach the winch right here on the chassis. All right, hold it steady. Easy down. Keep it steady. Clear on the left side.
After years of silence, the legend had a heartbeat again.
Reviewing the closed course plan, watch for these markers.
The beast was ready for the world again. After the test, John knew the truck was ready. Every test result gave him more confidence. News of the restoration began to spread. Then, an unexpected call arrived. He had been invited to compete. It was a chance to honor the past. John shared the news with the man who once owned it. The old owner could hardly believe it. John prepared it with respect and precision. The legend was ready for the road. A forgotten legend was heading toward its greatest return. The day of the great competition had finally arrived. Excitement grew with every passing minute. The forgotten giant had returned to the spotlight. The run was over, but the emotion had just begun. John could finally breathe. The crowd knew they had seen something special. Then, John saw someone he never expected. The man who trusted him had come to watch. Old memories returned in a single moment. John knew this victory belonged to more than one man. Their promise had been fulfilled. Together, they watched the legend live again. For him, it was more than a machine. One simple thank you meant everything. The unexpected guest turned victory into legacy. The final result was moments away. Every run had been measured carefully. John knew the moment was bigger than himself. Then his name echoed through the arena. The crowd celebrated the return of a legend. John stepped forward with quiet pride. But he stopped before accepting the prize. He asked to honor the man behind the memory. John chose gratitude over glory. Together, they walked toward the stage. The trophy belonged to the legacy they shared.